Annie from Annie's Quilt Shop, and today I'm going to demo how to use the half rectangle triangle set by Block Lock. Our shop is doing this using this ruler for our $5 block of the month Contessa. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Contessa in this. If you'd like to use this ruler for other quilt projects, all you need to know is your finished size of your block, and then you can cut your rectangles to the appropriate size depending on the finished size of your block. In Contessa, in month 2, we are using a 2x4 finished HRT. And so we're going to cut our rectangles for month 2 at 3x6. So in your cutting directions, cut all of the rectangles 3x6, okay? And this is going to make our HRTs and also your V block, which I will talk about in the block 2 Contessa video. But right now I'm just going to show you how to make your half rectangle triangles. So you can follow along with your brochure that you got with your HRT ruler, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our rectangles 3x6, okay? Then you're going to cut half of your rectangles diagonally, and you can use this ruler to do it if you like. You can use any ruler. I want you to cut diagonally from corner to corner, half of them like ruler A in the direction of the groove on ruler A, and half of them in the direction of the groove on ruler B. So you can see that these go opposite directions. If you're going to stack your fabrics, you need to make sure that all of your fabrics are stacked right side up. Do not do right sides together. That will not work to make your mirror images in this block. Okay? So 3x6, fabric stacked right side up, and we're going to cut from corner to corner. Half of our rectangles we're going to cut in the direction of ruler A, half of our directions in ruler B. Okay? Then we're going to take one piece from each color. Okay? So I'm going to take this one from ruler A, and then I'm going to take this one from a different color from ruler A and stack that here. Okay? Now, I'm going to take those and I'm going to lay them. So these have both been cut with ruler A. Alright? I'm going to lay them like this. You will have a little overhang, about 1/4 of an inch up here and 1/4 inch down here. Now you're going to stitch 1/4 inch along that line. When you open this out, you should have another rectangle again. Okay? That's why we need both from ruler A. Now, I've got my rectangle sewn here, and so all I need to do now is square that up. This is the direction of my ruler A. I'm going to lay my ruler so that it locks right into my seam, thus the Block Lock name. I've got a tiny little corner up here. I'm going to need that for my finished block, and so I'm going to line this up. About 2.5 by 5 is what it comes out to on this one. I'm going to make sure it's just perfect on that 2.5, and I am going to trim this side off, okay? Once that's trimmed off, I'm then just going to slide my ruler up so that the 2.5 and the 4.5 inch line are right on the edge where I've trimmed, and I'm going to trim this side, and I've now got my perfect HRT. So that's how you're going to use your Block Lock HRT for our Contessa quilt and for any other project that you like. Let me show you quickly a finished block. Looks just like this.